suicidal when this day is over. Then Molly, beautiful girl. 6:30 at the park, kami say, oh, my wife get home. Ano ba my birthday party na? Alam ko wedding na. Oh, dyan cleaning na yun. Secret, ilin din mo, pink na. Pwede man yung black and white na. Outside man, without fear na. Yun na siya say. Yan man, mabiya ko wala sa already. Wala sa already. Yan wala ting already. Saka ano ba nga. Also, come on. How are you? Eh?
Blood clot all the way you use me. You have your girl left. And that one blood clot money you look for me and give me. And you want to use me? Hey boy, me make some little compete with the blood clot done here.
You don't want to get no money?
And nothing, no money, no man.
What
with him? Me done with him.
Yes, you're done with him.
Me done with him.
You're done.
You ever tell you're different expert and expert not different yourself? You say me here, so put it on fire. Me want me send 2 man go pick him up now.
Yeah.
You don't mean that. You don't mean that.
Me mean that.
You mean it?
Yeah.
So when they know?
Serious just say ya.
Send the location, come give me send the dog them for block him up. Look for me. Look for me. Look for me, Rose. We just have a broken two and the man in two for them. That good?
Yes.
So that means them can stay in your life. You want him to stay in your life or you want him out of your life? Talk to me.
Man, just one step up for packing and for me. And tell him not lick me.
So you want him in your life but you don't want him beat you?
Yeah, me don't want him beat me.
Hold on, Rose. Now we have to go talk. Hold on. Now me and you go hold a serious conversation now, Rose. Because right now, are you a boss lady right now, you know?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So right now, in the next couple months, you know, expert of you can live with you because you're a boss lady now. Anything you say goes.
Yeah.
So you say you just want to broke him up.
Just tell him to up packing and for me.
Those the dog them when me a send, they're not too talky. Them man they just come for reach and break up people and just cut back.
Alright.
So you think about it?
Yeah.
Alright. Go and think about it. Everything good though?
Yeah, man.
Go on.
See man on chat here.
Yo, what make you put your hand on Rose?
Eh?
What make you put your hand on Rose?
Yeah.
Eh?
That's ramping my youth.
Ramping?
Yeah.
Oh.
Me no mean no arm youth.
Eh?
Me no mean no arm.
Oh, you don't mean no arm?
No.
Cause we don't.
Hold on, bro. I'm put you on there. You're too live. If you tap it, you're too live. Rose.
Yeah.
You know beat her.
Yeah.
When beat
your breast
her?
looks so stiff. Man, you're breathing, you know.
You can't look for the wife for the beat him and think you love him. Or you can love the wife for the beat him and angry him. Or you feel.
Me see
you
say you
feel.
hurt. Me see say you hurt about that because so me go take your argument serious now before we start run back joke. Me see say you really hurt about the beating part of it. That's why we are run joke. But sorry for how you feel about that because me see say you bring it up more than one time and we need to take this serious because this look like an unknown joke. Sorry for your run joke about that, Rose. Rose, you're grown. You understand, Rose?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you have a fame right now and twin man decide that you see me?
Yeah.
Anything that hurt your dog, you need to talk to twin man about it. You see me? If you need
Yeah.
sleep, twin man supposed to can collect some money for you and save up it and make sure say winter you know want look a problem, you can go put you in a look a hotel or motel for the night. You understand me? I say Rose?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Rose, you're big, you don't want that Rose. Right now you're on a level right now. You're hotter than enough artists or enough youth we are trying. You see me? I say Rose.
Yeah.
You don't need that dog, you see me? Yeah dog.
Yeah.
And the boy yo, Rose, Rose,
Yeah.
you know no family you can hold him and give him 2 thump in his face.
Come then live at them.
Yeah, Rose. Yo, nobody with the crying now. That me I tell you, I'm a fit, my G. Nobody with the crying now. Because it can't get worse. I better it get better. Yeah, Rose.
Yeah.
It can't get dog. Forgot about that, Rose. You feel me?
Yeah.
Do not know dog. Twin man. Rose, let me talk to Twin man. Twin man.
Yo,
The dog, you can't expect to beat Rose real dog.
yo dog. You tell me man, you show me all the mark them too. The boy I beat him. Come here, sir boy. Come here, sir. No,
Yo,
no time.
Twin man.
Yo.
You have to hold the dog off for live and talk to him because you know and everything the world needs to see dog and dog, you see Rose brother. And if you have sense, I mean I talk this for the live. Listen what me I
Yeah.
say. If you have sense, you can guide Rose in a one part where you don't even have to do Instagram. You can live off Rose if your guy Rose the real way. Nobody going to take up nobody and do things for them if they not benefit or fight. Twin man, hear what me I say. No make nobody come tell about you spend money at a Rose money. If your guide Rose, your African sure the real way,
For real.
bro God.
For real. For
You
real.
understand me I say, me G? Remember no dog,
Yeah.
remember Rose have a platform right now, no, dog. Remember no dog. Dog, when me see you go live with Rose, you know, Rose I get thousands of views. A whole part artists now get that in a dog.
For real, bro, God. A real
Dog,
thing,
you have
man.
to use dog, you have to dog Walmart and Walmart have to go sit down dog and come to agreement, brother. And if the dog a beat her for real dog, gonna have to just separate that brother because Rose
For
have a
real.
platform right now, dog. Rose me a talk something else about Rose and Mr. Rose bring you more than 5 times she bring up and say boy I beat her. Even when we not talk about it, she a tell we say she a get beaten, brother. You see me I say dog? And twin man, even I say dog, even if you know if you come on live sometime dog, I even put up a cash up a link one away dog and say hero well.
Yeah, dog.
Done deal. Next topic now. So you hear me I say bro God, yeah dog. Rose can't hungry round man dog. You see me I say bro God.
For real.
Dog, just do the right thing, my general. Is it?
Yeah, dog.
Do the right thing, dog. You understand, bro God?
Yeah, man.
Don't make she hurt dog because she in idea she can't the whole phone dog and the light up. Whole heap of people there, and when the live done, dog, she hurt. And night time when she a go to bed, she hurt. You have to make sure say she happy. You see me, I say, bro God,
Yeah, daddy.
let me do anything in my position right now if you make sure say Rosa eat at daytime, dog, because in this thing, dog, remember the time the youth. You understand? So you need to sit down with expert dog and talk to him, brother.
No, do right, man.
Rose lose a screw. Rose need guidance. You are the person who are run Rose to guide Rose and tell Rose what is what. If Rose can't count to 100 right now, you are a person where they run Rose and make sure she can count to 100 right now. And Rose and left around you, same like how she come around you. When people come around you, dog, you shame people and make people gain around you. You understand what I say, my friend? Rose lose a screw. You have to guide Rose. You have to guide her, bro, God.
Just a crap.
Yo, you do it. Don't worry yourself, man. You good, man. You just want to big up yourself, dog. Me there, dog. You see me, dog. God know that. My vibe, brother.
So this morning you tell me, dog. This morning you tell me, man. Me grieve, dog. Me have to say, team, and you cannot do that, brother.
My vibe was bro, God. But I say you still, dog. You see me, dog.
Yeah, dog.
Dog, me tell you this, dog. A person have a pretty and have shape in a dog outside, no brother. But Rose dog need love and guidance, brother. And if you want to call me every day, dog, I'm going to kick me up on the phone and chat to Rose, because every day me do I get up on thief. If you want me to spend time with Rose on the phone, dog, and make your phone tap up, dog, do it, dog. You see me, brother?
Come on, never.
You have to
Brother,
just
every day
like
Rose
Rose.
call me. Every day Rose call me, brother, ask if me alright. I'm say, yeah, man, me alright. I'm asking if you eat and thing, and you say no. Me I say, how comes expert not getting nothing to eat? She say, yo, expert up on the road. Sometimes we take money go buy craving. So me I say, you better take the money go buy 2 pound of flour, then you see me. She a
Or
question
Rose
and say, yo,
smoke.
the two of them. So me I tell them say, yo, for top, the money we
But you
not
don't
get,
know,
not.
but you don't know, brother. But you don't know. Rose smoking is not the problem, because Rose entertain people where she can afford a pack of cigarette. So if that Rose
Yeah,
comfort, Rose need to get a pack of cigarette for her comfort. You understand what I say, bro, God? Even
yeah.
if cigarette, we know it's a cigarette not good. But if that Rose comfort, when at night time, Rose a garbage dog, please, brother, you can't even make sure so Rose get a even 10 pack or 20 pack of cigarette. So now, for the wedding,
Yeah.
your friend if every postpone the wedding?
Mm.
Postpone it, yes, postpone it.
Four.
Don't marry to Rose. Leave Rose alone. Don't marry to her.
Eh,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
she
No,
need to
yeah,
apologize.
leave it alone. Huh?
No, listen, she need to apologize for her fear behalf, my youth. I mean, apologize for my behalf.
I mean Rose
And then,
if apologize.
let me tell you, after she first started,
Brother, here we are though. Here we are though. Rose, you're going to see Rose and you're not gonna get nothing. You're general. A user. You're a user. You only want Rose for the money and the fame. And the people them around you, they a pussy big and straight. The people them around you, we are telling things that don't make Rose left and each up behind Rose. Them a when you sister Rose lose a screw and an influence expert for use Rose. Hear me there say no expert. You a user. And you, God go and deal with you. Your school, your school almost drop out, just know that.
seriously, youth.
Yeah, dog. Me not like the talk the way you just make.
Yo,
Dog,
remember
you're
saying,
supposed to
me
guide
not
Rose
go,
more than nobody else, bro. Dog, you're supposed to guide Rose not nobody else, dog. You're supposed to make sure that nobody now use Rose, bro. You team up with people and use, bro. Use Rose,
no,
bro.
yo, no. What are
No,
the
dog.
people?
No. You're supposed to make your woman good, bro. You don't know real man, dog.
Show me, show me. Look at. See it there. Look. Expert.
Expert,
Talk
you
much.
cannot,
Put it up.
don't put your hand on Rose. We not support domestic violence, none at all. You understand? If you have a disagreement, you cuss it out and talk it out, but don't put your hand on her. Like Rose is a big woman, you can't do that. We not support them thing there. Zin,
One eye. Gummy bear.
We not support them
Only get gummy bear.
violence. None at all. None at all. None at all. None at all. Have to do better. Have to do better, expert. You can't bruise up rose nice, pretty clean skin.
I know that they might talk to you. They might talk to you, though.
Can't be
They
but
might not talk to you.
nice, clean
So,
rose.
Don't laugh. Why you put your hand on Rose?
Yo, I'm remember saying you see me on a dance at one party, right?
Yeah.
About Riverside. I'm for starting, but me even ask him say what that for? Him and the boy dance, that's the ones me never usually want that youth.
So hold on then. If Rose catch your wife and a girl, you think you're right? You're wrong.
Yeah, but I'm for starting.
Yes, so what you do? What you do? You have sex.
Me not
What you do? Try get hype, you draw a Rose. Brother, right now, you there and act like fool. Me know you're not fool. But every day you can play around Rose. Brother, stop put your hand on Rose, brother. Stop put your hand on the lady, dog. Stop it. Expert, stop it, brother. Stop it, dog. Here. We used to, hey,
Again, people, and me, Sandocan, your Rose come here to your pitney in a problem. Them a come and ask me for assistance and say, expert and wedding, use and conquer you.
give my chat already, man, you see me? Give my chat already. Because this morning she tell me, hold up, so see me?
Yeah, my brother like want to talk to him still.
You see me? The chat to him,
And
and
tell
you see
her,
me?
and Rose,
Yeah.
you need plus get the money and go home to your youth them. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, go get the money and
So,
go home to your youth them.
and me give me no one take away from him, you see me? So I have him, he should call me every day.
No, listen what I'm saying to you now. Here what I gotta do. You know where she live, right?
Yeah.
Please, listen. You're going in the yard. If them want grocery or anything, make sure the house full of grocery. That is number one. Grocery and water in the house. You get me? I come from and any little thing at all what she need around the house, buy it and make sure get it, brother. That thing say you gotta use it and make sure do some other thing else. You understand me? So if look a spoon and look a cup and look a thing want buy up, you buy it up and make sure get it.
Yeah.
You get me? I come from and
Yeah,
please
yeah.
and to cook the food them for the youth them to right?
Your mother, our mother.
Right. So buy some meat and put meat and put in the fridge for them.
Yeah.
Now, brother, when you do that for them, brother.
Yeah, go over and have to say 40 money.
Yeah,
Now
when
have
you
to
do
say
that,
40
brother.
money.
You get me? I come from.
Now have to say 40 money.
Big up yourself, na brother. Then, na brother, do it, though. Salute. Man, brother, you didn't know as the overseer for making sure say everything go right with that. You get me? I
I
come
mean,
from.
man. Yeah. Lava, everything me get free, man, brother. I do it.
Right.
Brother. I'm buying groceries and everything, brother.
Right,
You see me?
but I get
you know, take off
$400.
some people.
But I get $400 right now. You get me? I come from and I out on the road just not too long, and the thugs them see me and say, no, sir, we rate her and blah 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 blah. And right away, I trade them there and I trade them give me $100. You understand me? Our next woman send $100 for her near receipt. You understand me? So what do you right for her?
Yeah, man, what do you right, man? I have to say
You
40
understand me?
money.
So, but you didn't know as an overseer and information was everything go right with the money. Buy the stuff
Yeah.
them. The greatest thing buy the food in the house, buy the meat them and the canned stuff them. But she know she
I go do
can't
that, man.
hungry.
I
And
go
any
do
little
that,
thing
man.
she want buy fix up her ear and buy little clothes for her because people are go and call her and do look interview and all them look something there. So you have to make sure everything go right with her right there. So you in charge of that, brother.
You know what I mean, man?
You understand me? And they still
You
have
know what I
plus
mean?
get expert at break. You understand me? Phone and freezer, people. My phone and freezer. Hold on there. Cause when I really can't say when me can't say my friend them for go beat people. Friend them right there, so I make him send back a request. You understand me? This is a big up. Man can't get expert the money. You understand me? So me can't say what you call it there? Me I go send people If beat him, because he beat the woman. No, we can't do them because something there. We don't really do them something there. My friend he ramp rough. Yeah, man. Friend him gonna beat Pitney. No time for that. For one have to talk to him. Understand me? Send back one expert send back a request. More expert. Twin man. Yeah. Well, I have a money fair still. Well, on the people. World dog big up in there. Well, on there. Always. Just see the pretty than I know dirty pretty than gone. See me right. Well, on the people. Yo, so I'm gonna match up that and send the name. You understand me? Yeah. And just make sure get expert a break.
Yeah, man, I chat to her, you see me?
Yeah, him out of the running the big woman a beat the big one with the belt.
You see me? Brother, me ask her, me know that, me ask her, say, expert the liquor or nothing, she a tell me no. But this man, me look funny and me I say, oh yeah, and them look so. And him I say, expert, cry him up, and me I say, four, he beat you. He ain't go tell me like, you know, but through me a question him, you see me?
Right.
And him I say, yo, my expert a beat him and thing. And I say, God, man, feel like me want to cut all the life to, but I say, yo, more add world dog and, you know, make world dog give him a chat to him, you see me?
You tell me, also it when I say dog on the life with them this man, it dog that talk to him about.
Yeah.
Them look at something and I go read the time, and I got talk to you about it. And I got talk to you really. Look, pass my shots right there. So. No time for my body talk to you really. No time for talk to him. Him out of that. Not really busy in them relationship, but then a man that's my boy I run them people and I beat people with belt. I mean, can't tell you something I got talk to. Not talk to people. I got send man for talk to you. My friend him ramp rough. You understand me? So, see the money right there, so. And the money right there, so. It's a 300 US right there, so. You understand me? And the next $100, it sends a $400. So, I got have her up on the show tomorrow, have her up on Chat and Laugh tomorrow. And we talk about it more. So, let's make sure the money put to use. You get where I come from?
Yeah.
Alright, and go and big up yourself, brother.
Same to you, bro.
Bless.